Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you are going to learn sailboat in sunset with watercolors and only with few palettes. Actually, I wanted to paint in watercolors and I don't have much colors in my home. I had only 6 colors, so 6 basic colors. So I painted this with only 4 colors, which is yellow, black, red and white. So now as you can see, for painting in watercolors, first you have to dip your brush in water and then dab some yellow color in your brush, and you just have to make a small circle. It will be sun. Then here I am taking yellow color with the same red color with the same brush, and as you can see, yellow is there in that brush, so it will be mixture of yellow and red in the shading. It will automatically look like shading with yellow and red. It's mountain, you can make just random shapes of the mountains. And please don't forget to dip your brush in the water in between the paintings. It gives you a nice reflection and shading in your painting. You have to dip your brush in water. There should be a good amount of water in your brush to do this type of painting. So now as you can see, I'm just shading with red color, making the sky. Actually, I'm out of stock in watercolor, and as you know, it's lockdown. Though lockdown is open, but it's risky to buy something from outside right now. So I'm avoiding as much as I can and utilizing the things which I have at my home right now. So that's why I'm using few colors and making this piece. I really wanted to paint in watercolors. So see how only with few colors, 2-3 colors, you can paint this painting. So it's for beginners. It's not very tough and you can do it easily by watching this video. So now I'm shading this with red color. It will be water and it will look like a reflection. You will see it. So guys, please subscribe my channel. I am really doing hard to make good videos, and in future I will be making more good videos. Actually, I am new, so not very much in this shooting thing, but I'm trying and I think I will be good in future videos. Please comment me also how do you like my paintings. See, it's yellow, doing the shading with yellow. Now there is some blue. The pack, I had a pack of 6 color. Actually, I am out of stock. It's not mine. It's my kid's color pack of 6. So I thought to use her color, Faber-Castell 6 color pack. So I've done this painting using that very basic colors. So for beginners, it's good to use a basic color for painting. And these are watercolor sheets, especially for watercolors. So good for practicing. And now from a very thin brush, it's 0 size brush, you have to just make, you see how you have to just make a random shapes of boats It's very therapeutic. It's like a therapy, you know, art. You just merge into it, and while painting, while creating, your all focus is on art. You forget your anxiety, your worries. So this is very nice thing to practice. And in lockdown, I think so many of us are in so much anxiety and worry because we are all the time at home. We are not able to meet our family members, our friends. So it's good to have this kind of hobby. Creativity is actually food for your soul. See, now I'm mixing it with white. See how it's coming. I think it's coming nice. What do you all think? So please guys, subscribe my channel. I am really new to this YouTube thing and I really want to make good videos, so it will motivate me to make new videos. Actually, my basic pattern in which my basic style in which I work is abstract in florals, so I will be doing some paintings on that too. And one series is my woman series, which I have done in Paul Cézanne style. I will make a video on that also, in woman series Paul Cézanne style. I like Paul Cézanne style, it's impressionism style, so I like to paint. And one series is my crowd series, so I will be doing paintings on crowd series too, but I think that I should paint for beginners. That's why I started this channel, and I will be painting more and more paintings which can be easily painted while seeing my videos. Even children can paint all these things if it's only required practice. You have to make this, see, with your zero size brush, you have to make this random sizes. Just a little bit of shading with black on the mountains, see, with this flat brush. See how the reflection is coming of the mountains, of the sun, everything. This is the beauty of this watercolor. If you use a lot of water in your brush, it will automatically reflect in your painting, and reflection paintings, watercolor is very good to use. I will be painting in different medium. I have painted in acrylic also. I will be painting on this sorry about that, just got a call. So I will be painting in soft pastels also, and oil pastels also if you want, but my favorite medium is watercolor and acrylic color. So see, now I am adding this yellow and for the reflection of the sun. You have to just practice it, it will come out naturally, and it's good for beginners. if you are a beginner, you want to learn painting, you want to start painting, it's good to buy the basic 6 colors and some flat brushes and zero brushes, and you can paint. See how the painting has come out. There's a color on my finger. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. So I will not say again and again, but please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.